Hi guys, it's been forever, I think, since I've done an unboxing video because I haven't really been like inspired, I guess, to do one in a really long time. Sorry, I'm looking at the mailman outside. Because there's been a lot of back and forth regarding this particular bag, and this is the 22S heart-shaped bag. But there's a lot of back and forth. You know, some people love it, some people hate it. I happen to be a person that, I liked the bag. I thought it was adorable. And, you know, if that means that it's juvenile, then it can still be adorable and juvenile. And I'm a 50-year-old woman, and if I want to wear my juvenile handbag, then I will. Unapologetically, I might add. So, whether you love it, whether you hate it, this is going to be what it looks like when I take it out of the box. I bought it from Neiman Marcus in Dallas. I've had a relationship with them for a few years, and it's always been great. I did get 2 bags today. I also got the caramel medium flap, but I don't know if I'm going to do a video on that bag. But I'm going to be really excited when I open it because I've been waiting for that color. It seems like forever. So, I guess we can get into it, right? This is the bag. Of course, obviously comes with, and it's going to look super cute. When I ordered the bag, I got in on their buy back in October. So I've known that I was going to get this bag since October. So at the time, the price point was $5,100, but we know about Chanel and their price increases. So it went from $5,100 to $5,400. And of course, I had the opportunity. I could have not bought the bag because of the price increase, but somebody else would have got it. And I want the bag. So, voila. Oh, she put a sticky note because, like I said, I got 2 bags. So this is the white bag. And my receipt. I'm excited to see what this one looks like in person, because I know that when you looked at some of the photographs from the runway show, that some of those bags looked straight up sketchy. But what I learned, or from what I understand from what other viewers said, is that sometimes the runway bags don't get the same attention to detail that the ones that they actually release do. So I'm excited to see, and I've seen pictures. My sales associate, she sent me a picture, but not too many detailed pictures because she didn't want to handle the bag. But so far it looks a lot better than what I saw on the runway, which is fantastic. And I will open it and I'll show it to you so you know what it looks like. So the first thing that I notice is that I think, because I bought a white bag, is that I am going to store her in a white dust bag because of the fragile leather. And when I say fragile, I mean like with color transfer. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh my God. So that's going to be like first thing that I noticed, and that's the first thing that I'll do. And of course, all the other, stuff comes in with the bag, and I'm sure as I dump it out, we'll see. So my first impression is that she's a little smaller than I thought she would be. And I knew what the dimensions were, but I didn't really like put it in my head. Hey, this is how big I didn't actually like draw it out on a piece of paper. I don't know. I just thought it'd be a little bit bigger, but it is cute. I'm looking for like irregularities in the pattern, and outside of what you would expect because of the multi-dimensions of the front of the bag. I mean, it doesn't look half bad. I don't know. Can you see? Hope you can see that. Like so. And we can take this out. And we'll take the one on the front off too. So I know, and I do like that they left the tag on it. I don't know, I'm always weird about that because I don't sometimes remember what season a particular bag came with, and if I don't have the tag, I'm lost. Like I bought a small flap bag last August, and I mean literally I have to like do the math in my head on what season it's from. So but this one I don't have to. I know it's 22S, and then boom, there's the $5,500 price tag. And I know that this bag also comes in black. I think it would be really sharp in black. And it comes in pink, and it comes in purple, and I think maybe gold. And I've seen some that are in blue, just not the size. But I think it's available. You have to look on the site. Again, I'm not an expert at Chanel. I've never been an expert at Chanel. I started collecting it, I don't know, maybe 6 years ago, and I might have purchased like 2 bags a year. I probably have like 10, 12 bags. So we can see what is in the front. There's our front pocket. Not much will go in there. I'm thinking if you are gonna put like one credit card or something very, very flat, you've got a shot at putting something in that bag, in that front pocket. Kind of same with any of the other flat bags that you have with the back. It's really flat, nothing's gonna go in there much. But when we open it, and you can see that it opens in both east and west direction, and it has a cute little, ooh, my little thing is peeling off of it. I'm gonna leave, I love the stickers on the hardware. Heart shape on one side, nothing on the other, and it opens east-west to about maybe 3/4 of the bag down. And I will unstuff it. And it's kind of small inside, but again, that's to be expected when you buy a small bag, right? Boom. But I mean, I like it. There's a little crease that I'm noticing in the very front. I don't know if you can see it, but like here and here. It's not super noticeable, but if you wanted to like get down on the inspection, you'd see it or you'd notice it. My guess is that it's going to be common for this style bag. And because this bag is white, I probably won't carry it very often because I don't want to have any problems with color transfer. That's why I actually didn't want to see it in the store because I had on jeans and I have on a black top. And I was like, look, I don't want any problems. Even though I'm just going to be trying it on, I would rather just wait till I get home, open it all up and do a video so I can show everybody what it looks like. And then you can give me your thoughts also. But you can see that there's the back detailed if I hadn't showed it to you already. And again, the front. The only thing that I don't love, and I don't think that it could be avoided, is this right here on the side. I don't love that. They would have had to, which probably wouldn't have bothered me, make the heart shape a little more defined, which would have been great. But this is what we're working with. And I'll show you the chain. If I can open it. So I am 5 foot even. And the bag, see if I can move this out of the way. Move it this way. On me, it's right here. If you can see that. Or, of course, I can wear it crossbody. And this is the perfect crossbody height for me. Like, it's perfect. Now, if you are taller, thinner than me, it probably, of course, is going to fall a little bit different. But right now, I love how it falls on me. So I would grab my phone to show you what fits in it, but I'm videotaping from my phone. So I will probably, maybe I'll add some pictures in the comments if you guys really care to see it, but there she is. Bingo. And again, it's pretty controversial. And to the people that say that they don't like the bag because it's ugly or because it's childish or juvenile or that it's not well constructed, that's fine. I mean, you don't have to buy it. I mean, I happen to like the bag. I bought it. I thought it's adorable. Worst case scenario, if I hated the bag, I know that I wouldn't lose money if I sold it. So I'm going to hold on to it. I will wear it very sparingly and appreciate the fact that I was able to get one. And that's it. Enjoy. And again, I'm not big on videos, so if I missed something, I apologize. I know that some people that do a much better job, they bring out the ruler and do all that other stuff. I don't have any of that handy to do, so I was just excited to get it out of the bag. Literally, we like blew through our lunch today because I was so excited to get home to open it. And then I've got another one to open too. That one I'm really excited about. It's the medium classic flap. So, but this little beauty right here has found a new home and she's welcome. Bye guys, see ya.